Title: ɡreɪv, a place of rest and reflection. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡreɪv. A ɡreɪv is a noun that refers to a site where a deceased person is buried. It signifies a place of final rest and a location for remembrance and reflection. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡreɪv is simple, grayv, with a soft g and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, visiting the grave of a loved one can be a somber, yet comforting experience, allowing us to pay our respects and remember their life. Importance: graves hold significant cultural, religious, and emotional importance as they provide a place for honoring and remembering the deceased. Conclusion: in summary, ɡreɪv is a word that represents the solemn and contemplative place of rest for those who have passed away. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, respect the importance of graves in our cultural and emotional landscapes.